You are already sold on the amazing products Sisel has to offer. So what could be better than enjoying your favorites each and every day? How about earning deep discounts and free rebates while you do it? Sisel's Loyalty Rewards Program, or LRP, is as easy as, yes, 1, 2, 3. 1. Purchase your favorite Sisel products each month. 2. Earn coupons and rebates. And 3. Redeem your coupons and rebates for future product orders and refund your shipping costs. As a loyal customer, you are likely already on track. This is how it works. When you order Sisel products with 100 to 199 personal volume, or PV, for 4 consecutive months, you get 5% of your total combined PV back in the form of a monetary discount for future product orders. With 4 straight monthly orders between 200 and 299 PV, you will get 6% of your combined PV. When you order 300 or more PV for 4 months in a row, you'll earn 8% of your combined PV towards purchasing credit. These loyalty discounts are available for 30 days and can be redeemed for the products you want more of. What about shipping costs? Free shipping rebates are earned in a similar way. When you make monthly orders at 250 PV or more for 12 consecutive months, you will be rewarded with a cash rebate that refunds all of the ground shipping charges you incurred on your monthly orders over the previous year. Claim your rebates over the next 60 days and enjoy free shipping. Sisel makes it easy to check the status of your coupon and rebate availability, found in your team back office. Select the Financial Tools option in the main menu. In the secondary drop-down menu, select Commissions. Then click on Loyalty Rewards. Here you are able to view your earnings, what is available for use, and review your coupon and rebate history. You are already a loyal customer. What will you do with the money you save? Buy more product? Earn more discounts? Share with friends? That's Sisel's Loyalty Rewards Program.